Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! How are you doing today? I'm doing, half decent anyway. A little bit of pains, but I'm kind of wrecked, so that's alright. And I got a really good fucking pizza planned out for today. But before we get to telling you about the pizza, we're gonna get uncanny with a nice can of fucking Carlsberg Pilsner from Denmark. Danish Pilsner. 500 milliliters, 5.0%. Read it right there, you fucking bastards. There you go. Let's open her up. Cheers, big ears. Fuck yeah. Woohoo! Vajka Garshiksir. Oh, Garshiksallus. In English, that means that's really good beer. Alright. What we're doing today, we are doing a roast, beer can roast chicken. This is leftover chicken that I did from a beer can chicken video. The link will be in the description box below and in the iCard above. So we're gonna have to cut up some of this chicken. Well, wait, here's a piece right here. Tasty. That's great. So, chicken will be the meat for our pizza. We are using some Armstrong pizza mozzarella, Armstrong cheese, and we're going to use some Grana Padano cheese. As if you know me, I love my Grana Padano, but it's not going to be the one from this package. We're going to use some garlic powder. We are going to use some no-name pizza sauce, fresh tomato, and some President's Choice hot banana peppers. And this is all going on a 100% whole wheat crust. And it looks like that. Fuck yeah, it smells amazing. I'm not a big fan of the whole wheat, but it smells good. And it does make a half decent pizza. Whole wheat bread can fuck right off. So, let me grate some cheese, slice this up, slice up some chicken, and we'll be back. Alright, bitches. That's how she's going tonight. Cheers, big ears. Make this fucking pizza. You're gonna fucking love it. I tell you that right fucking now. There will be a link for the pizza dough video, also in the iCard and the description below, how to make this whole wheat pizza dough. Alright, drink up, buttercup. That's good. Fuck, I'm wrecked, eh? Alright, bitches. I think I got things squared away. I'm kind of messed up tonight. I'm pretty fucking messed up, actually. But we're still rocking the fucking Carlsberg, so there you go. Cheers, big ears. We're gonna throw some flour down here. Throw the flour of your choice down. And we're gonna fucking roll out the, or press out, roll out, whatever the fuck you do with the dough. Go over here. Use the flour of your choice. I'm using semolina tonight. You can use whole wheat flour, you can use white flour, use whatever the fuck you want. Boom. Let me get an elbow shot in for Elbow Boy. There you go, buddy. Look at that. There she is. Boom. some flour on the top of that. And press it out. That's fucking great. As I said in my whole wheat dough video, this is a stickier dough than normal pizza dough. So adjust your flouring. Okay, so I'm going to press this out, and we'll be back like a monkey on fucking crack. You know what I mean there, fucky bean? Okay, you know how it is. You'll see, it'll be like nice when we come back. Yeah, you know how to do the pizza thing, right? Okay, let me come back and we'll fucking get her done. All right, bitches. Cheers, big ears. Give me a minute. Then we're gonna get the toppings going and we're gonna go fast forward. RTFO, folks. Alright, bitches. We've been about 16 minutes and it's looking pretty good. It smells fucking awesome. Ow. And yeah, I know the pizza ain't fucking around, but that's the way it fucking looks. Fuck right off. That's about 16 minutes. That's how she fucking looks. It looks kind of fucking wacky to me. Let's get some grana padano on there. Where is that? I don't know, I fucking put it somewhere. Son of a bitch. Where the fuck did I put it? There. Oh, right there. Fucking jackass. See? Don't drink and cook. There it is. Put some more of that Grana Padano on there. Fuck yeah. It smells fucking awesome. Boom. Alright, bitches. Let me slice that up, and we're gonna give her a whirl there, boys and girls. And others. Everybody's welcome. We'll get a new fucking beer, because this one's almost fucking done. Fuck yeah. Woohoo! We'll get another fucking Carling. Alright, give me a minute, bitches. Alright, bitches. Here you go. Here's the fucking pie. Looks like this. That's fine. Chicken, tomato, hot pepper, Grana Padano cheese, mozzarella cheese, beer, garlic powder, come here. There you go. It's gonna be it's hot. It's fucking hot. I don't want to eat it right now. It's fucking hot. It looks like that. Oh. That's fucking good. This was in the electric oven. My 70-year-old oven. 70 plus. It's actually older than 70. Maximum temperature for about 15 minutes. Maximum temperature, it says 500, but I don't know what it is. No idea. But it's fucking good. It's done, I'll tell you that. Hot. Holy fuck. That's fucking hot. That's tasty as fuck. TAF, bitches. Tasty as fuck. Fresh tomatoes. Fuck yeah. There you go. That's how you make a fucking chicken pizza with tomatoes and hot peppers. Fuck, that's hot. Steam. You can't see the steam in the camera, I bet, but fucking steam is coming out of that. Son of a bitch. That's fucking good. Look, air bowl. Hot pepper. No more hot pepper. Tomato. Air bubble. Not fucking good. Beer can chicken pizza. Wow. Not very good. I would make that again. First time I made that. I've made many chicken pizzas before, but the first time was a beer can chicken pizza. Oh yeah, it's tasty. TAF. Tasty as fuck. That's GAF, good as fuck. Fuck yeah. I'm not a huge fan of the whole wheat shit, but since it was a request, I decided to make a whole whack of videos of it. And that's the way it is. Fuck off. If you want to make a whole wheat pizza, don't fucking do it. Make a white flour pizza. Cheers, Biggies. I like it. It's actually not bad. Drink up, buttercup. Cheers, big ears. No tea tonight. I have one right there, but no. Fuck it, no tea. You know, that's the way it is. Arrivederci Roma. Take it easy. You don't like it? Too bad. Drink beer and fuck right off. Whoa. I'm gonna have another fucking piece. That's what I'm gonna do. You're not gonna watch it. So I'm shutting the camera off. Look at that. That's mine. Fuck yeah. Good night, bitches.